Hello, you are welcome back. So you guys, today we are going to be making moi and pap. So you guys, here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have the beans, already washed beans. I soaked it for easy blending. I also have the peppers I'm going to be using. I have some tatashe, some shombo, onions, scotch bonnet pepper. I also have already blended crayfish. The spices I'm going to be using are mixed spice and curry powder, some salt, vegetable oil, seasoning cubes, and the protein for the day is smoked mackerel fish and some eggs. And I'm going to be cooking with moi leaf. It's already washed, I just kept it to drain. So I'm done blending the beans, so I'm just going to start mixing the ingredients. So I'm going in with the seasoning cube with the mixed spice. I'll be adding the crayfish, some salt. I'll be mixing with some warm water just to make sure everything dissolves properly, because you won't want to chew a chunk of seasoning cube in your moi, so that's the reason why I have to mix it thoroughly so that everything will be well dissolved. So having done that, I'm just going to pour it into the already blended beans batter, then add some vegetable oil, then add the already mashed deboned fish. So I'm just going to mix to combine. I didn't whip the beans because of the way I blended it, so it doesn't need whipping anymore. But if you choose to whip yours, it's okay. That depends on what you want. So I'm going to taste for seasoning to make sure everything blended very well, and it was perfect. So I'm just going to start the cooking proper. So I'm just going to place the stem on the down of the pot, cover it with the moi leaf. Now that I'm done doing it, I'm going to add a little bit of warm water. So I'm going to start with the wrapping of the moi leaf before I will be scooping the butter into the moi leaf. I prefer using the moi leaf because of the flavor it gives to the moi, but if you can not tie the moi leaf, because it's not everybody that knows how to do the leaf thing, so you can also use any plastic that is okay, so for you to use your cook the moi with. So I'm done wrapping this one, so I'm going to repeat the process. Into it, add a piece of egg, then wrap. So I'm going to keep doing this until I am done wrapping. After doing that, I'm just going to place it on the pot gently. done placing it, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook for the next 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you guys, I allowed it to cool down a bit. So this is how it looks. It's good when you allow it to cool down a bit so it can be firm and a little bit cool. So it's now ready for you to enjoy with any cereal of your choice. So we ate this moi moi with pap and it tasted so delicious. So this is the pap we had it with, so it tasted so yummy. So you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe.